In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install NetHunt CRM. By the end, you'll have NetHunt integrated right inside your Gmail so you can manage contacts, deals, and workflows without leaving your inbox. First, open your web browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. The easiest way is to use Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, you can type Chrome Web Store, then click the official result from Google. You'll know you're in the right place if the address contains chrome.google.com and you see a search bar for extensions. In the store's search box, type NetHunt CRM for Gmail and press Enter. You should see the NetHunt CRM extension in the results. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct listing by checking the name and reading the brief description. This helps you avoid installing anything unrelated. Next, click Add to Chrome or install on the NetHunt CRM page. Chrome will show a small pop-up explaining the permissions the extension needs to properly integrate with your Gmail. This is standard for tools that enhance your inbox. Go ahead and confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. You might see a quick notification letting you know the installation is complete. Once the extension is installed, open Gmail in your browser. If Gmail was already open, simply refresh the page to load the new features. You should now see NetHunt CRM embedded directly into your inbox. Look for a side panel and new CRM elements, like access to records, pipelines, and workflows, neatly aligned with Gmail's interface. This integration is designed to feel native, so you can click emails and immediately interact with CRM details without switching tabs. If you don't see the NetHunt panel right away, refresh the page once more. Also make sure you're using the same Chrome profile where you installed the extension. Keeping pop-up blockers in check can help too, as they sometimes interfere with new extension elements loading on the page. From here, explore the side panel and the CRM controls that appear alongside your emails. You can view and organize contacts, keep an eye on deal stages, and use workflows to automate routine work, all while staying inside Gmail. That's the power of the integration you just set up. And that's it. You've successfully installed NetHunt CRM and connected it to your Gmail. Enjoy a more efficient inbox, and feel free to revisit the Chrome Web Store page anytime to adjust settings, view details, or remove the extension if you ever need to.